Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can trim audio in Microsoft's Clipchamp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Microsoft Clipchamp and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find the home section, the brand kit, templates, and right here, you're going to find all of your folders. Here in the center of your screen, you're going to find the option to create a new video. And right here, you can create a video with AI. So right now, I'm going to click on create a new video. Then once you're here, you're going to find all of the tools that you would need in order to customize your video. So firstly, we're going to add the video by clicking on import media. And then once you click on import media, go ahead and choose your video from your computer. So I'm going to choose this one. So right now, if you want to add it to the timeline, you can either click on the plus icon right here, or you can just drag it like this. And then right now, if you want to trim the audio for this video, firstly, go ahead and select the video by clicking on it. And then go here to the right side of your screen. Here you're going to find audio. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, you can adjust the volume of your video. And here under it, you're going to find detach audio. Go ahead and click on detach audio to separate the video from the audio. Once you do that, go ahead and click on the video on the audio, and then if you want to trim it, just go here to the end of the video, and then just click and drag like this. Then place the audio wherever you want, and this is basically how you can do it. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.